Hello viewers, today's our topic of discussion is how to transform materialistic mind into spiritual mind. This is a very adverse and somewhat seemingly somewhat it seems a very impossible task because materialistic mind is at extreme materialistic mind and spiritual mind both are at the extreme end. So how to transform complete materialistic person into complete spiritual person is a very difficult task but not impossible if we pursue or if we outlook if we see it through optimistic and transaction outlook. Means if you want to convert a materialistic person to spiritual one, you have to convince him about the benefits and advantages he will get when he becomes spiritual, seeing the advantages and pleasures and the achievements that a spiritual man achieves. A materialistic man's mind can change and he can get transformed into spiritual, complete spiritual person. If we have in the history, we have seen very much example like of this entity of this theory. Saint Tulsidas, then Valmiki. All these are the example of the people who were materialistic first, but after that they become completely spiritual for sage. They become sage like that. I'll explain this in today's video. Materialistic mind and spiritual mind are both at their extreme ends. So how to bring confluence between them? Confluence means sangam. In Hindi, called sangam, means union between them. The only sensible way to bring communion between them is through knowledge and through informing the material mind that how profitable and advantageous it is to be spiritual one. The materialistic person is always business minded. He often does calculations before handling any affair that how much profit or gain he will receive when he adopts spiritual mode of lifestyle. Then we have to narrate and convince them how much positive benefit, upliftment and upgradation is there in spiritual mode of living. And when he will analyze between materialism and spirituality, he automatically will get acknowledged the fact that spirituality is far more profitable and advantageous as compared to materialism. Only we have to regulate ourselves in this. Then his mind will transform and he will first mentally switch on towards spirituality on a mental plane. Then, but for complete absorption towards spiritualism, we have to get transformed not only mentally but also physically, emotionally, intellectually, and purposefully. If at all these levels of consciousness is spiritually followed and implemented, then only will be regarded a true spiritual seeker. It is very much hard and difficult to have our body to adopt spiritual habits because from childhood to old age we are constantly and at every moment enjoying bodily materialistic pleasures. So how to give up all bodily pleasures? The answer here is through knowledge of profit and loss. We have to firmly convince our mind that physical enjoyment is the fear of getting physically diseased. This is the true fact. When we enjoy any bodily pleasure, then our body does not get satisfied and gratified at smaller extent, but demands more quantity of pleasure with every passing moment of time. Thus, we become tightly addicted to it and cannot live in its absence of scarcity. Thus, we get physically and mentally disordered and dysfunctional, leading to profound weakness at mental, emotional, physical level, which ultimately leads to death. Thus, it becomes firm belief of us that there is no profit, no advantage, no promotion in living life at materialistic or bodily level. This will trigger up great stimulation to switch on towards spirituality ardently and passionately. Thus, it brings up gradual and insistingly transformation from materialistic to spiritualistic individual, and this is we've been seen in many examples as I have predicted, as I have said before also. Many dacoits also got converted into sage, saints. Many householders got themselves converted into monks. All these things are there. Means, in short, I want to say that the real benefit or real advantage of person, the real wisdom of person lies in the fact that he should not be so much addicted to materialistic life, but must gaze and choose and decide the path of spirituality, as it is full of profit, gain, and prosperity. Thank you.